Buyers walked me through her budget last month. Mortgage covered, property tax covered, homeowners insurance covered. She was ready. Then I asked her about her monthly reserve for a surprise repair. Silence. Let's discuss this, because that silence is the reason first-time and move-up buyers in MetroWest feel stretched 3 years in after closing, even when they budget it correctly going in. Beyond mortgage, taxes, and insurance, MetroWest homeowners spend $8,000 to $18,000 a year on hidden costs. There are 4 buckets. Industry rule of thumb is 1% of your home's value per year. On a $750,000 home, that's $7,500 a year, about $625 a month you should set aside, even if you don't spend it that year, because someday it's the roof. Roof, 20 to 30 years, HVAC, 15 to 20, water heaters, 8 to 12, septic pumping every 2 years. Ask what each year was installed before you buy. Heating alone in MetroWest winter could be $400 to $500 a month. Total utility burden on a typical single-family home is $5,000 to $8,000 a year. This actually varies more than most buyers know. Trash pickup, some MetroWest town is including the taxes, others charge for a trash sticker annually or pay for bags. Water and sewer, some towns run $80 a month, others $200. Septic maintenance, permit fees when you have to renovate, adds up to about $1,000 to $3,000 a year depending on your town. Let's add it up honestly for a $750,000 MetroWest home. Maintenance reserve, $7,500. Utilities, $6,000. Town fees, $2,000. Reoccurring services, $3,000. Miscellaneous, another $1,000. That total is about $17,500 a year. That's $1,460 a month on top of your mortgage payments. If your budget can't comfortably absorb that number, you're not ready to buy at the price point of $750,000. Look one price band lower. 3 things I wish I could tell every first-time buyer before they close. The first year always costs more. Furniture, appliances, small fixes, budget an extra $5,000 to $10,000. Homeowners insurance in MetroWest has climbed 30 to 50% in 3 years. So get real quotes, not estimates. Property taxes get reassessed. What your first bill looks like the first year is not what it might look like in 3 years from now. Real numbers matter. Read more on my website. I'm Anna Temian. Love life, cherish home.